Task 7 Modeling of the Cylinder Block of A Engine, Part 02. Lecturer, Li Huachuan. Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we will continue our study of modeling of the cylinder block of engine. In the last lesson, we have completed the task of modeling the cylinder block of an engine in Part 1. So in this lesson, let's open the UG software, continue to maintain the spirit of learning precision, diligence, standardization, and innovation to complete the task of the modeling of cylinder block of an engine in Part 2. Well, let's pay more attention. Beginning with the fifth disc. It is tilted at 2 degrees. Click Extrude. Select bar set to tangent curve. Select the edge curve of the fifth disc. Extrude downward. Just wrap the remaining discs. Note that, click on Draft. From Start Limit. Angle is 2. At the same time, you need to set the bias to both sides. Control handle for grasping angle. Note that the internal curve should tilt inward. Its angle is upright, so the angle is positive 2. Set subtract for Boolean. OK. The lower half of the disc has taken on a 2-degree tilt effect. We then draw the upper and lower floors. Before drawing floors, we need to chamfer the corners. The fillet here is 1.2. The rounded corners of the remaining sections are not given, so we'll set it to 1. Click on Edge Blend. OK. Click on Sketch in Task Environment. Select the XC face. Click on OK. The section of the floor is a section 27 oblique line of inclination angle. So we click on the line L. Select the end point of the arc. The length reaches the cylinder. Press Enter. The angle is 27. Press Enter. The floor consists of 2 straight sections plus a rounded corner in the middle. The bottom straight line is 1 mm from the contour. We need to click on the intersecting curve. Note that the tangent plane is set to a single plane. Select Cylindrical Surface. Get the intersection line between the sketch plane and the cylinder. Click the Offset curve at the same time. Offset the curve in the reverse direction by 1. Cancel Symmetry. Click the line L. Select the edge of the rounded corner. Click Fillet Weld. Diameter is 20. Set the blue projection curve as a guideline. Click Finish. Before creating rib plates, we need to merge our features. Click Unite. OK. Click on the feature ribbon. Design feature drop-down. Check rib plate. Select rib plate. Drive line. Select single curve. Create the upper floor first. Wall. Parallel to the sectional section. The rib thickness is 3. Application. Select the sketch line below again. OK. Upper and lower floors completed. Finally, we learn to draw oblique bosses. Click on Menu. Insert. Sketch in Task Environment. Select the XY plane. From this view, the cross-section of the angled boss is rectangular. So click on Rectangle. Select to draw a rectangle by 3 points. Draw the center line. The center line is perpendicular to the rectangular edge. Dimensioning based on 27 degrees. We select the rectangular edges as well as the x-axis. In this projected view, we see that the center line is 17 from the side. At the same time, it is half of 30 from the sideline at the other end. That is 15. 17. 15. Select the center line. Set as reference line. The vertex of the center line has a distance dimension of 40 from the x-axis. The sketch has been completed. Click Finish. Extrude. Select Rectangular. Symmetric Extrude. How to determine the distance? The thickness of the ramp here is 30. So the distance is half of 30. 15. Boolean. Unite. This side is fully rounded corner. By Edge Blend, select 2 lines of a cuboid. The radius is 15. Build full rounded corners. There is also an 18 cylinder next to the ramp. Also choose XY plane. OK. Draw. The circle. Diameter 18. Seen from the picture, it has a size constraint of 10. At the same time, the center of the circle is on the edge of the cuboid. So choose the center of the circle. Select cuboid edges. Select point on curve for position constraints. Select the top sideline of the center of the circle to set 10. Finish. Click Extrude. Select Circle, O. Symmetry. Note that the thickness of the cylinder is 36. So the symmetry value is 18. We'll build a 16-round gun. Click on Hole. Select the center of the arc. Diameter is 24. Depth is 16. OK. Notice again that there are two circular arcs on the view. It shows that there is a chamfer outside the circular cavity. Click on Chamfer. Select the sideline. Distance is 1. OK. We found that there was an error in the structure here. The oblique platform and the rotating body do not completely intersect. So what should we need to modify? What should need to be modified is the length of the sketch. Click on Sketch, right-click, Edit with Rollback. Drag the rectangular edge to pull down. Make it fully intersect with the rotating body. At the same time, we found that in the process of pulling, the rectangle has moved. This indicates that our rectangular sketch is not fully constrained. We observed that the dimension of 55 between the center line and the center of the end face was missing, so the dimension of 55 is refilled. Finish. Click Studio. This ends the software operation process for engine block modeling. In this lesson, we have completed the task of modeling the cylinder block of an engine in Part 2. Have you learned? Please answer the following questions. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you.